22 bedroom as we enter. Except 10 by 7.5. This is broader unit as compared to the other one. That was the living room. As we enter, we have kitchen with balcony again and space for dishwasher, storage. It will be coming with the appliances, so the appliances are just placed here. It's in balcony. As we enter, the maid's room are really nice and spacious out here. Entry to first room with bathtub. Sun-filled unit, windows are on both sides. 4.5 by 6, 2 feet as 5-door wardrobe. Six by 5.5, 2 feet as. No wardrobe in this room, so you have a television space there, and probably a wardrobe needs to be fixed in here with a standing shelf.